Hi and welcome again. We continue with our course development process. And in this section, we now want to focus our attention on the course information. We look at the structure of the course information. This is the preamble section of your course. This is the part where you put in information about the course. Just before the students delve into the topics or the modules, it's important that some fundamental information is provided to them. So this is a walk through the entire course information structure section. So the first part, this part, we put in the course code. You put in the course title, include the departments, and then because of versioning aspects, we can put the version of this course. If you will be revising it, you can put it the version. So this is version 2.0, and it was edited in which month. And approval, but of course some of these sections may not be necessary for the students, so we're going to remove them. The academic year, it's important that we put that in. For you to edit this section, you simply need to turn editing on from the top right corner of your screen. Once the course is in edit mode, as it is right now, then come to this section, okay, and click these three vertical dots and click edit settings. At this particular point, this page will load, the page that allows you to edit the information. So you can edit the course title, you can edit the course code, put in the course code, the course title, the department, the version. So we can remove the approval part, and then once you're done, click save and return to course, and the changes will be effected. The next part is you need to put in the purpose and the prerequisite and the preparation section of your course. And for you to edit, just do as previously done. You can edit this section and put in the purpose of the course, the prerequisites if there are any, and the preparations that the students need before they get engaged in learning this course. And then it's important that we state the expected learning outcomes of the course. So you can edit here, edit settings, and then you list the learning outcomes, the expected learning outcomes. So you can delete this and just say by the end of this course, the learner, you will be able to, we must personalize the learning, you will be able to, then colon, then list the learning outcomes. Can begin to list the learning outcomes. So just put the cursor there. So you can list the course level learning outcomes here. Once you're done, click save and return to course. So once you've put in the learning outcomes, it's important that you list the modules or the topics here. Okay, so you will click on this link, which is indicating list of modules. Click on it and then come here. So this section is mandatory and so this is just instructions to you as the instructor who is developing the course. So to edit this section, click on the settings button up here, then scroll down to the page content here. What you do, you can delete all this information and then put in your module. So it's like module 1, the title, stroke topic 1, depending on how you want to name them. Topic 1, introduction. You can list them. Then module 2, stroke topic 2. You can also list it. If it has subtopics, you can click here, indent it. Then you can list the subtopic 1. Subtopic 2, and so on and so forth. So you can actually list all the modules here under page content, then scroll down, save and return to course. Okay, so that is that section. The course content here, you can just describe and you can derive it from the course description. It has the thematic areas and concepts that will be covered in this course, and you can edit it from here. Click on settings and you can do the editing from here. So here you can summarize the thematic areas, concepts to be covered in the course, focus, scope, progression. Okay, because the focus should be on scope and progression, because in the previous section we have listed the topics. Okay, so this can be lifted from the curriculum directly. So once you have made the changes, save and return to course. So the next element is the target audience. You need to tell us that this course is supposed to be taken up by which programs, or which students taking up which programs. There are some courses that we're developing that are common courses, or they cut across several programs. You can list the target audience. So you click here, edit the settings, and be able to list, change the details to your course details depending on who is taking up the course. Do we have any specialized tools or technologies that the students need to have for this course? Please do list them here. So you click here, edit settings, customize that to reflect the tools and technologies required by your course. Then under course assessment, you're going to describe how the students will be assessed in this course. So you click here, edit settings again, and delete this information and put in the specific information through which the students, the specific information regarding how the students are going to be assessed. Primary communication channels, you can actually state how you will communicate here. So you can click on settings up here and edit. So here, how you will communicate through the announcement forum, through the direct messaging, your email, how often you're going to be available, the name of the instructor, the email, physical office location, so they can locate you, and many other details. So you can customize this to align to you, how you will be communicating to the students, how you'll be interacting with the students, and so on and so forth. So the information that is provided is just for guidance purposes and not necessarily that you must adhere. So it's just guiding you so that you can adequately customize information to your course. So once you have indicated how the students will be communicated to, you can put in the communication channels, that is the announcement forum, the news forum, the announcements forum, the social forum, the Q&A forum. Add them here. And then you can also have a personalized message from the lecturer, or it can be in form of a video that is recorded. So you can actually post the personalized intro message to the learners here. So that is it about the course information. Once you've edited that entire course information section, you can turn off editing, and you can just preview through your content to make sure that you have actually put in all the information that the students will need to know more about the course before they dig into the modules or topics. Thank you.